And you can see some frigid temperatures right now. They'll continue to get colder and stay there for a while.
That's right. Let's get over to Kyle for a look at that extended forecast.
Well, Brian and Susan, we have a brief warm-up coming this weekend, but it coincides with a winter storm that's going to drop a lot of snow, and then back with another Arctic plunge next week. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. You can see that most of the afternoon we should be dry here in West Michigan, but as we move the clock here, as the sun sets just before 5 o'clock, we've got snow starting to ramp up in West Michigan. In fact, by 7 p.m., I think we should see snow showers taking over. Temperatures will be in the mid-teens, but I think they climb actually Friday night. And as that storm system approaches, the snow continues. We're going to wind up with some pretty significant snowfall totals here in West Michigan. A lot of shoveling to be doing, no question about that. For now, the temperatures are really cold out there. So the snow that we picked up last night and today, even though it's been mostly cleared by the plows, the temperatures of the road surfaces are cold enough that those chemicals not super effective. So it's still slick on the roadways. Now we still have some light snow on Storm Track Live, but that's starting to wind down right now. Snowstorm on the way here for West Michigan Friday night and Saturday, and then another plunge of Arctic air on the way here next week. Now on Storm Track Live, here's light snow coming off Lake Superior as well as Lake Michigan. But notice the trend in the last couple of frames of radar. It's kind of tapering off. I think that's going to continue tonight. Probably not stop altogether. We may see continued flurries up and down the lakeshore, but the heaviest of the snow has definitely fallen. In our future cast here, most of tomorrow, a lot of cloud cover. Not much snow, just a couple of flurries from time to time, but tomorrow evening that changes. Notice darker bands of blue starting to push in here at 7 o'clock. This is heavier snow taking over West Michigan. That's going to continue Friday night, and when we wake up Saturday morning, some pretty substantial totals. I think that snow continues through the day here on Saturday, but most of the heavier snow happens Friday night into early Saturday morning. So what are we talking about for snowfall totals? 5 to 8 inches for Grand Rapids through Kent County, Berry, and Allegan County. A little bit less down to the south. Notice 2 to 5 here for areas south of I-94. The reason for that is there will be some mixed precipitation, maybe even some freezing rain south of I-94. And then north of Grand Rapids, 7 to 10. Not out of the question. Again, that's Friday night to Saturday. Meantime, very cold out there. 3 the wind chill in Grand Rapids. Our 8-day forecast, with that brief warm-up comes some pretty heavy snow Friday night and Saturday, and then back to the Arctic air for Sunday and Monday. Today's high was the coldest in a year, and if we hit 13 only for a high on Monday, that'll be the coldest daytime high in almost 2 years for West Michigan.
All right, more cold air on its way. Thanks, Kyle.